Jun De Guzman. I'm 47 years old. Bali, I have been a diabetic for like more than 15 years already. So, yung mga medicines na tinitake ko are Lumet XR and Glymateride. And at the same time, of course, hypertensive din ako. So, I'm taking Twinsta 80/5 for my hypertension. So, bali gusto ko na i-share, after taking Buamera for actually mga more than a week ago, before I took my test, yung usual test ko.
Ito muna isa. Yung before.
Ito yung before, actually, ito yung after.
Okay.
So, bali yung 5 bottles na tinake ko, pero ito shared with my wife pa. Bali yung pag-take ko is 3 cup, yung lumalabas 1 cup, that's 15 ml, equivalent to 15 ml. So, 3 times a day yun. So, shared pa yun with my wife. Pero naging very significant yung result. So, basically dun sa glucose. So, from 6.3, so it went down to 5.91. So, basically, lumalabas na sa normal level na yung glucose ko. So, at the same time, yung pain din, nag-worry din ako because of the pain that I have been experiencing for quite some time. Yung pain sa likod ko, sa lower back. So, parang feeling ko I had a problem already with my kidneys. No? Since I'm a diabetic, normally, kung mataas ang sugar, it affects the kidneys. So, yun yung fear ko because I've been experiencing yung pain. So, nagigising na ako. So, even during the hours in the morning because of the pain. So, sobrang discomfort ang binibigay niya. So, again, after taking 5 bottles of Buamera, natanggal talaga yung pain totally. So, ang laki ng relief sa akin because of yung totally nawala yung pain. Until now, wala na talaga. And then at the same time, when I urinate, so, nagkakaroon din ako ng problem. So, nagkaroon din ako ng fear na baka may prostate problem ako. So, again, after taking Buamera, paputol-putol yung ihi ko. So, parang basically, ito na yung mga symptoms or signs that you have a problem with your prostate based on research. So, now, actually, yung ihi nag-normalize. Hindi na siya paputol-putol, and at the same time, wala na rin yung pain kasi may kasama rin siyang pain at the same time. So parang iniisip ko if it is, kumbaga, kung hindi infection, maaaring prostate. So totally yung pain na yan, yung back pain sa lower back ko, and then at the same time yung problem sa pag-urinate, natanggal talaga. And of course, yung very significant is ito ng results, no? Yung hindi lang yung glucose actually, but the cholesterol also went down. So, nag-normalize yung cholesterol level and triglycerides. And of course, the energy that it gives me now, ibang-iba talaga. Yun na actually. Thank you.